Yes, Charleston!
Northwest Nicholas, Southeast Shore, Southeast Nicholas, and Southeast Larry. Issued at 1:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. High wind warning in effect from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Wind advisory in effect from 10 p.m. Friday to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. West, 45 wind warning. Southeast wind 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. For the wind advisory, west winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northeast, northern, and southeast West Virginia. When? For the high wind warning.
WX774 and WXJ84 are perfectly in sync.
For the wind advisory from 10 p.m. Friday to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday.
The radio is dead. Where's the file frame?
Winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles.
Where is...
People should avoid being outside in forested areas under trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. If you can do so safely. You may also post your report to the Charleston, Virginia Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSR. And also this is a live warning for the Charleston radio. Rain near 100%. Friday night, rain until midnight, and then rain lighter with a chance of snow after midnight. Windy, cold blows in the upper 20s. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%.
What's the...
Here is the forecast for Raleigh, Fayette.
Ow, my knee. Ow. Ow. Granny? High wind warning for Raleigh, Fayette, and Nicholas. Yeah. Raleigh, Fayette, and Nicholas. So, not for us, but they could potentially get something. We're probably under a wind advisory. We might get a high wind warning.
Well, I wonder whose sandwich is this.
What kind of sandwich is it?
Well, it looks like it's got bacon on it. I don't know what else.
Probably Donovan's or Vicky's.
It's a sandwich from Tuesday.
Maybe it's yours?
No, but that was the one that gets sandwiches.
Was it an actual sandwich or is it a biscuit?
It's a sandwich.
Didn't know Tudors did actual sandwiches. Thought they just did biscuits.
Yeah, they Robin always asks for something.
Why do we consider him part of the family? If he's doing that, you don't go to Tudors. Well, no, you go to Tudors and you get a sandwich instead of a biscuit. Who does that?
There's McDonald's just got nuggets in it.
Those are probably yours from the other night. Remember the other night you wanted McDonald's nuggets and I got seafood? I don't know when he's coming up to get his records and his CD, but he said he'd be up yesterday around 8. Never showed up. Just like him.
There's 2 pepperonis.
I mean, I think Zaria likes those.
They're strawberries, but I can't tell if they got mold on them or not. So.
Gotta grab the laptop so I can make music. Earth. And yeah, my knee still hurts.
Did you wash it off?
I used a wet towel. And it's fine, like I said, Moses' scrape. It's fine. I don't need to put peroxide on it. Don't need to put alcohol on it. Don't want that burn anyway. Where'd I put the... There's the kitchen chair. Earth. Time to begin working on the Sonic Spinball cover.